Hello everyone, I'm excited to present Scene3D, an AI-powered vision-based depth technology. Scene3D is a neural network that processes raw images and assigns a per-pixel depth value, converting a regular camera into a range measurement device. Here you can see the outputs of Scene3D, highlighting closer objects in shades of yellow and green, and faraway objects in shades of blue. Depth estimation is an essential technology for safe operation of self-driving cars. By sensing depth, self-driving cars are able to detect important objects in the scene, irrespective of their appearance. Unlike traditional AI-based systems, which are trained to detect specific object types, Scene3D provides general-purpose intelligence, which can be used by self-driving cars to understand the dynamic driving scene in real time. Scene3D is able to produce high-resolution depth maps with sharp object boundaries, visible on the leaves of trees, thin structures such as poles, and on the edges of foreground objects. Here you can see the outputs of Scene3D on crowded Indian streets, estimating depth for rickshaws, pedestrians, cars, vans, motorcycles, and buses. Scene3D is also able to estimate depth for difficult driving scenarios such as roadworks, capturing accurate depth for traffic cones, temporary barriers, roadwork signs, and construction vehicles. The general-purpose intelligence captured by Scene3D can easily be translated to roads around the world without the need for additional data or fine-tuning of parameters. From the busy streets of Singapore to central Paris, Scene3D works on roads around the world. Although depth estimation is notoriously difficult in rainy weather, Scene3D is able to capture high-quality depth maps in heavy rain, even in the presence of splashes from other vehicles, reflections on the road surface, and raindrops on the camera lens. Snowy conditions pose their own unique challenges. However, Scene3D's general-purpose intelligence works reliably on snow-covered roads, capturing robust depth maps with clear identification of important foreground objects. Even in heavy snow and blizzard-like conditions. Scene3D's depth estimation technology boosts the safety of self-driving cars in important edge case scenarios, such as vehicles cutting into the lane, a child running across the road, a loose cow, a skateboarder having a fall, a truck blowing out a tire, a truck colliding with roadside infrastructure, a crate of oranges tumbling down the road, the vehicle skidding and traveling at strange angles, and the most unusual scenarios you could imagine. Thank you for listening.